welcome to another weekly vlog. And guys, I'm dressed in all black today. I love how my makeup turned out today. You know when you have like a vision and you're like, wow, it's very well executed, you know? I literally got so inspired by these boots that I haven't worn and I got them like 3 or 4 years ago. They are literally so sexy, so sparkly. Like, isn't this just Thuy in a shoe? How cute is this outfit, guys? I literally have no bra underneath and I've got these cycling shorts that are so freaking long behind the scenes, guys. I have to tuck them into my butt cheeks. You know, recently, right, I've been loving an all black outfit. Normally, I'm like a colour gal. I love my blue. I've just been loving wearing black recently. Just adding a little extra something, a little bit extra spunk up in there. I am off to an event tonight with NARS, so I thought I would turn on the vlog and take you guys along with me. Because it's a NARS event, I'm going to wear their audacious perfume. One of my faves, by the way. If you've never smelled this perfume before, you really should, because it smells so sexy. We are having a Christmas dinner with NARS today. We're gonna take some photos, guys. Behind the scenes. Oh, look who we have, matchy. Oh,
guys. Me and Thuy have gone full sparkle today.
Hello, my eyes match your top.
And my shoes.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
you should wear these boots, babe. I think I'll
swap.
And just like that, guys, I'm home. These shoes, they're painful, girl. I got so many compliments on my makeup today, and you know when you're like, yeah, my makeup looks snatched there. Everyone was like, oh my god, it looks like you have a stencil on. I'm like, no, girl, this is hand drawn, guys. Hand to the drawn, and the rhinestones are stuck on all individually. I was literally filming a video using my AGORA box today, which was so exciting, guys. I have to say thank you so much to anyone that has purchased an AGORA box. I've literally been using the crystal white drops every single night for the last month, and my skin is honestly like so smooth. The texture is so even. My acne scar is literally non-existent, which is amazing. It's currently nearly midnight, guys, and guess what? Tomorrow I have a car picking me up at 6 AM in the morning because I need to head to a Space and K event, and I need to be there at 9 AM, and because I live out in the middle of sticks, my car needs to try to come get me before rush hour. Oh my god, guys, I fucked up. I woke up late.
It's a criminal offence to be up this early.
It is 6:30 in the morning. I got 2 missed calls. Gran's like, someone's calling your phone. Bitch, my car is outside. So I'm like rushing, getting ready. The car's outside. I've got 10 minutes to get ready. It's all going down, guys.
So basically, we're going Battersea because there's a new shopping centre. It's basically the old power plant that used to be there, and they converted to a shopping centre. So Milk Makeup have invited you down to check out the store, and then we're going to do a bit of Christmas shopping because we haven't been there before, and this is our chance to go there because it's really far from us.
Yeah, it's so far, guys. Hence why we're waking up so early. I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge at Milk. Basically what I'm doing now. We have made it to Battersea Power Plant Station. It literally looks like we're in Dubai, but cold. Welcome to Battersea Power Station. Wow, it's huge. Now let's hunt down Space and K.
Apparently most of the shops are not even open yet. It's actually beautiful.
It looks so fancy. Ah! Ah! Oh, 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 oh. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. So we just made it to the Space and K store. So we're going to agree to 5-minute challenge. We've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah. A long time. Okay, we're thinking kind of statement skin. Monochromatic. Okay. Okay, guys, so we have a 5-minute makeup challenge. Mine is skin, so I have to do like really good skin in 5 minutes. And I've got a spot right here, so I need to try and cover that up. Got a little kit going on in here. Oh my god, we got a jumper. This is not just any jumper. Oh my god, this is amazing.
It's meant to look like a band tee.
Co-founder of Milk Makeup. 5-minute statement skin. Let's go.
Do it.
Guys, we just made it back from Battersea. Honestly, it's not worth going, guys. Half the stores wasn't even open yet. Not even until 2023. Guess where we went to spend most of our time? Marks and Spencer's. I picked up hella grapes because you know I'm a grape connoisseur.
The one at Battersea was so neat. Whoever packed that M&S has OCD. It was so neat. I was like, Wow, like you guys put all the tins the right way around. As
it should be.
Starting off, picked up a Christmas sandwich.
Last year, Grant said that he was on the hunt to find the best Christmas sandwich, but he went after Christmas and all the Christmas sandwiches were sold out.
Festive Christmas club with British chicken and bacon on toasted oatmeal bread. So it looks like it's got cranberry in it, it's got cabbage in it.
Alright, next up we picked up some goose fat roast potatoes. This year I'm actually hosting Christmas at my house. Sorry, our house, not my house. We all know
Sometimes I
it's
say
Thuy's
it's Thuy's house as well. I'm like, what?
You're not worthy of this house. Yeah, I'm hosting Christmas at my house this year, guys. And, what I said again. I'm hosting Christmas at Grant's house this year.
Yeah, my house.
And I'm on the hunt to make the best roast freaking potatoes. You know what? It might just have to be going to M&S and buy it. Good old Grand fish fillets.
Salmon. Oh my days. I'm gonna kill you. Once this camera comes off, there's no evidence, I will kill her.
What? Do it now. Do it with your chest. Do it with your chest.
The killer.
Right, we also picked up some classic chicken steaks because I'm going to cook a chicken casicoli tomorrow and I'm going to cheat it and just... And then we also picked up a good old rotisserie chicken from M&S. These are literally the easiest things ever. It literally tastes like the rotisserie chickens that you get in the supermarket, but you can do it at home in your oven. Yeah. We have been on the hunt for these xThuyLe prawn crackers. This says that it's salt and vinegar flavour, but it actually tastes like prawn cocktails. It's so good. We picked up 4 of them, and they're literally £1 a bag. Quang loves truffle crisps, so these were like £5 each, guys. £5? Who paid £5 for a packet of crisps? Got some bagels, and we got some eggs.
No, pack all this away.
It's December 1st, that means it's officially Christmas!
Oh, you bitch.
So many people are asking, why do we have post-it notes all over our house?
Basically, our house is a new build, right? So, when you build a new house, it's built on like timber, concrete, whatever. Within the first 2 years, it shrinks a little bit. So, it moves, shrinks. And then, when it shrinks, it cracks a little bit.
Yeah.
Like the plaster cracks. After 2 years, it shouldn't shrink. Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. But we have put post-it notes everywhere. There's little tiny little cracks like that.
I'm going to my troll house. My home away from home. Stop saying that, I'm booty. Guys, it's actually a mess up here, look. Look at this. Cables, rubbish here.
Oh, it's cold up here.
Got Halloween decorations there, got some trainer boxes. But there's the Christmas decorations, so all there. Hello, pea head.
Hello.
It's like a poo coming out your bum. It's like, hello, I'm coming out.
Guys, look at our 5th bedroom one day.
If no one knows how big our loft is, it's like humongous.
This is the reason why we bought this house, guys. Look how big our loft is. It's fully boarded up, so we can literally step on here. We've got windows up here already. We don't need planning permission. One day, when we make enough money and we can reinvest into this house, we're going to turn this into a 5th master bedroom. And it's so cold up here. I've got no pants on. The pussy is flapping right now.
It coming.
It's Christmas! Oh, we haven't seen these all year.
Some more baubles here. Some extra baubles there.
Look like a right old steak. Look at me. You look like I've been dragged through a bush. Oh, wow. The tree. Wow. Oh, my gosh, she is heavy. Wow. Oh, my Lord. It's like Santa coming through the chimney. It's like a big poo coming out of the asshole. Right. Oh my gosh, she's so heavy. Oh my god, look how many Christmas decorations we have. I totally forgot how big our Christmas tree is. Last year we had this by the dining room table, but there's too many people coming around, so we had to move the tree. I feel like the tree's a bit too big here. We are also going to be putting our second tree down here. I feel like this goes with the theme really well. Last year, this tree went up in Grand's study. It's all going to be downstairs tonight, okay? Everyone needs to lay their eyes on all our decorations, okay? Because they literally come out only once a year. We love using these command strips around the house to hang out our decorations. Putting it on our door to hang up our Christmas wreath. The ring doorbell's right in the centre. Hello. Putting up one of my favourite Christmas decorations of all time. Look at all the bulbos. Oh my god, it's so cute. And look, we have our black and white Christmas tree up. It goes so well with our media wall. We still need to put up our little baubles, and I need to get a Christmas tree topper. Lights really do make things really magical. Quang is putting up the mistletoe. Oh my god, look how cute it is. So every time you walk through, I'm like, hey, you had to kiss under the mistletoe. Hello, over here.
What are you trying it for? Why are you trying to sneak your
Kiss
kissing?
me under the mistletoe.
Oh, nah.
You should be so lucky. What are you doing?
That is unnecessary.
How stunning are these? Oh my god, they're so pretty. They're like proper glass ones. It's actually like quite therapeutic. So pretty! Alexa, turn on the Christmas tree. Today's Friday. I'm gonna go meet one of my favorite beauty influencers that I've been following for years. Her name is Nikkietutorials. You might have heard of her. And she is currently in London with Space NK, and we're gonna go and have brunch with her. I've been at an event every single day this week, so I am shattered, but this one I am actually so excited for. So let's go. Okay, so I just made it into London and I'm literally outside Harrods. Oh my god, I literally don't come into this area enough. This is the area where like the bougie is, like this is where the rich stay, you know. So I'm heading into Space NK today. Oh, this is my second time this week going to Space NK. Look at all the Nimia products. I didn't even know that they have lip glosses now. How cool is this? Wow, we actually have a full-on lunch, guys. Hello, you're on camera.
Oh,
You know, look at her finest moment right here.
are we blurring? No, I'm kidding.
How are you? So nice to meet you.
Finally.
I know, right? Look, an eyeshadow palette, guys, exclusive. So we have first exclusive peek of the Nimia makeup palette. Oh my god, I love the orange. Let's look at this for the first time together, guys. Oh my god, this is stunning. You can just already see the makeup looks that you can do with this.
I just want to say thank you all for coming out and joining us here at this very blue and orange party. And we recently launched our first pressed pigment palette that I'm so fucking excited about.
Yes!
I already mentioned I did all the photography myself. This is a complete vision by myself come to life. If you have any questions or if you want to like mingle about products or whatever, I'm just here to have a good time.
Yes,
So,
I love
thank
it. So we literally just had such a cute little lunch with Nikkie, and now we're gonna take a little photo together. So Nikkie, I have a question to ask you.
Okay.
What do you have as advice for anyone that has been, you know,
Depressed.
That would help as well. But if you have been on like social media for a while and they haven't been seeing any growth,
Right.
what would you suggest for anyone that is inspiring to be a social media star?
If you've been doing it for a little while and you feel like it's kind of stagnating,
Yeah.
try a video you've never done before that is completely out of your comfort zone.
Okay.
So if you hate TikTok dances,
Yeah. Do the dance.
put on them dancing shoes, honey, and clickety clack clack.
Yeah.
Just try something that is so not you. Because maybe it will make people see you in a different light. If you're a very funny person in real life and it's not really showing off on camera,
Yes.
become a jokester, babe.
Yeah.
Jokester.
This, I would definitely suggest that as well. And I think even if one thing doesn't work, you have to keep at it, right?
Yeah. Just keep going.
Yeah.
And as long as you keep doing stuff that you truly believe in, you're good.
Love that. Thanks so much, Nikkie.
This eyeliner?
Oh, babe, don't look too close because one eye is a little bit more saggy than the other. So I just have to look for one side.
So good. This filter. Which one is it?
Danny DeFreitas, my bestie. He has really good filters. Okay, let's do a little.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. I love that.
There you
thank
go.
you so much,
Thank
Nikkie. You're so inspiring, babe.
Thank
I took off my ponytail and now my hair's so itchy. I'm like, I've been dragged for a bush. Quang actually bought Stormzy's album.
Got his signed autograph as well.
What?
So I bought this CD so you get pre-sale access to his UK tour.
And he got 8 tickets, guys. That is it for this week's vlog. Thank you so much to anyone that has bought a bundle bag. Thank you so much to anyone that has bought my Agora box. There is still some boxes left. I'm going to leave the link down below. It will literally mean the world to me if you do pick up my Agora edit. Obviously, whenever you do a collaboration, you always want it to do well and you want the brand to be like super happy that they chose to work with you. So if you guys have a spare £20.99 and you're in the UK, you can literally pick up my Agora box, which is worth £126. Pick it up for £20.50 using the code HELLO5. That is it for this week's vlog, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Buy the Agora edit. That's how you support.
Oh my god, I literally don't want to take off my makeup. Oh, that must have been so ugly. I'm so sorry. Introducing to you, Betty Boop. Look, guy looks like Betty Boop right now.
Oh, you stepped on my toe. Ah, you stepped on my toe again.
Who told you I'm such a big toe? Big toe Quang. You know what they say with guys with big toes? And guys got a big toe, guys. That toe big. Inside of the jungle, we have Thuy in a natural habitat. Guys, my plants are dying, guys. I'm so sad. Like, look at this plant. It was so big and bushy, and she just looks so sad right now.
I feel like you should chop it all off and then repot it.
I'll chop you off in a minute.
It hurt you on my neck. You cramped my neck. That's it.
Help me! Influencer died! I'm gonna make it on the shade bar.
It's so cold in there, I can't be touched.
Have you ever heard a guy say, I can't be touched?
It's so sensitive, like to
Oh, that's what she said. Guess what my hand is right now?
It's cold.
Guess what it is, guys?
It's cold. Damn, my booty cracked. Some truffle down there, mate.
I'll pick your truffles. 2 black truffles. I'll go truffle hunting.
Crazy truffle.
I'm a little pig hunting the truffles.
Pigs hunt truffles.
Yeah, they have special pigs that hunt truffles.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you hunt them?
No, you hunt them. You just on my joke. You're so dry. The overhang is real. Cute.
Get out of here. It's perfect size.
Guy's nickname from now on is Big Toe Quang. That is Guy's stripper name. Big Toe Quang. Shut up, bag of 2.
What?
I've got no pants on.
Number 1, I'm taking it out.
Babe, advent calendar. You can have the first doll.
Advent calendar time! Woo!
You can have the first doll.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
Number one.
Alright, let's
Uno
see.
number 1. I stole it this morning.
What the hell? We're number 2 now.
No, you can't have it. It's not day 2 yet. I stole it without you.
You're so mean.
Monster Munch feet. Spread them. Go on, spread them. Yeah, you're spread them. Spread them. Spread them. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All you will ever know. Make my wish come true. It's Christmas! It's Christmas time! This is my favourite Christmas song. Thanks.
Well, if you kissed me now, I know you fool me again.
Hello? Aha! You guys thought that we forgot about the giveaway winner, huh? Huh? This one is for all of you guys that's watching right until the end to the blooper. You deserve a prize. My precious. So the giveaway of my Agora box is drum roll. I'll put her name on the screen right now. Furbo VLS. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Oh my god, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that, babe. But thank you so much for always commenting and showing support on all of my platforms. Don't worry if you didn't win because the giveaways don't stop there. Me and Gra have decided that every single week for December to celebrate Vlogmas, we are going to be doing a giveaway. This week, we are going to be giving away a mystery bundle bag and it is open internationally just to say thank you so much. It will be filled with amazing goodies from skincare, eyeshadow palettes, lip products, and it'll be a little mystery bundle bag. What did I have to do to enter the giveaway?
Comment down below what Thuy's stripper name should be.
Okay, Quang makes the rules in his household apparently. We all know that Quang's stripper name is Big Toe Quang. So if you have a stripper name for me, comment it down below to enter the giveaway. And comment down below your Instagram handle so that we can message you if you have won. But we will announce the giveaway winner in next week's blooper. So make sure you stick around right to the end to see if you won. Peace out.
8 out.
From Big Toe Quang. Let's see the toe. The mighty toe.